what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily see or view how many streams a song on Spotify have. All you have to do is access your Spotify app on your desktop or PC. Next is just head over on the search button and search for an artist, then just click on the artist profile. So in here, we can see the number of artists listeners and also the list of musics and the number of plays on each song. So if you don't have the Spotify premium subscription, this is the only information you will be able to access and see on Spotify. Now, if you have the Spotify premium subscription, you can basically just right click through a song, then click on go to album, and from there you can easily see the exact number of plays or streams a song have. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily check or see how many streams a song has on Spotify. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!